Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to open new desktop in Windows 10 using shortcut key. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. First you need to in your keyboard type on screen keyboard. I will turn on, make easily I will explain you. Now you need to press and hold Control window key plus T. You see this is running. Control window key plus T. Now you need to see where is this all desktop window key plus tab button. This window key plus tab button. You see this very 22 our new desktop is open. So you see this is very easy and simple method. Just press and hold Control window plus D. Control window plus D. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.